Hello and welcome to a brand new video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to set up an Instagram shop. So I just created this account called Joe's Perfumes where I supposedly sell perfumes, and the first thing that you want to do is that you want to edit your profile to actually make it a professional or a business account. So if you want to know if you're actually, if you want to confirm that you're a professional account, you can press this cog right here and it shows you professional account. And once again, if you don't know how to not be a professional account, you can just go right here for professionals. It appears there. Now, if you want to actually switch, you can press business account tools and controls, switch to creator or personal. That means we are currently on business. So now that we're nice and ready with a business account, now the next step that you want to do is that you want to connect your Instagram profile. You want to connect it to a Facebook page. And then as soon as you do that, you want to go to Google and you want to basically write Commerce Manager, and the first link is going to be a Facebook link, which you're going to press that link, and as soon as you are in, you can connect your Facebook profile or your Facebook page that has to do with your Instagram page. And as soon as you do that, the one thing that you're left to do is apply or start now. Manage all of your selling activity on Facebook and Instagram from one place. So press start now. So as soon as I entered my metaads.com and I connected my Joe's Perfumes Instagram profile, it was like, hey, you need to create an ad account. And as soon as I did that, it was like, all right, we're ready to go now. So right now we're on the Meta Ads widget for Joe's Perfumes, the Instagram page that we just created and turned into a business suite. Now, the beautiful thing in the Meta Business Suite is that in the left here menu, you have all tools. They've really dumbed it down to and everything being sort of right at the tip of your fingers. So actually, in order to be able to access the commerce managers, you need to hook up your Facebook as well as your Instagram page at the same time. Because if you go to all tools right here, you can't really see the commerce manager. But if I opt to go for my other Meta Ads account that contains my Facebook profile, which I've connected to my Facebook page that I created for Joe's Perfumes, I think it's mandatory at this point in order for you to set up an Instagram ads profile and access Meta Ads as Commerce Manager to also make a Facebook page that goes along with your Instagram page. And as soon as you press all tools right here, you're going to be able to access then the full length of the Commerce Manager and everything Meta Ads has to offer. So as soon as we press the Commerce Manager right here, now you can promote local products to nearby shoppers, and you can press Get Started. You can create a catalog for local products in one place. When you select local products, we'll use location information from your catalog to help deliver ads to nearby shoppers. And you can choose to promote products that are in stock and available depending on the location of your item. Store location is currently in beta. Right from the Commerce Manager, you can press the different accounts or the business portfolios that you have, and according to which you can find places where you've already had catalogs. So this is the catalog of things that I've been selling on my own profile. And if you press on it, let's say we want to actually test it out. Let's see the products that we have in the catalog already. So these are the things that maybe I have bought and sold, or rather sold over the past years. So what if you want to create your own catalog from the get-go? So you want to go to, the account that you just made. You want to create a shop or a catalog. And as soon as you do that, you can start adding products. Right? Online products. Yes. Local products or services, travel, real estate, auto. There you go. Name. Joe's Perfumes. You want to go next. Now you can always connect to Shopify. You can connect a new event source, share a customer interaction to optimize performance. You can skip that altogether. You can connect to a data feed or manually add your products right here. So let's say you have an Excel sheet or a spreadsheet that contains all the product catalogs that you have for your store. Maybe you have an on-site store as well as an online store, or you can just manually add products. And when you manually add products, what you want is that you want to include a photo. And then you want to enter, let's say we're selling perfume Sauvage by Dior. The latest and greatest by Dior. and then you want a link of your shop, maybe your Shopify, maybe you sell on Amazon, wherever you do, and then you want to enter a price right here, and then you want to upload these items. So after working on all of these, you can have it be on sale at some point. We can have an example, and after you're done with all of that, it's gonna appear once again like I showed you beforehand, exactly like that. We already have our catalog that we started right here. Now it's gonna appear exactly like so, for instance, on your Facebook page or your Facebook tag to your Facebook marketplace. Now if you press on shops right here, you can go to shops, and then you press go to shops. And shops might not be available in your country, but if it is, you can still create a catalog, and you can just literally share your catalog with customers by creating it. You can tag the product, so it's exactly like when you access an Instagram page, and instead of tagged photos, you can find it tagged with the product link and the price, and you can just press it, and it takes you right to your website or wherever you want to actually direct your customers to. So yeah, this was a video where we created an Instagram page and a Facebook page. We connected it to a commerce manager, and we helped you create a shop and a catalog from scratch. If you found this video helpful, please give us a like, subscribe for more awesome content, and we'll catch you in the next one.